How to use blur in Photoroom. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use or make your picture blurs. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can generate or import any of the images from your gallery. Here I'm selecting on one. Now again tap on your photo. Here slowly scroll down and you'll be able to see different tools available. Now on the top you can see this blur option. Simply tap it on. Now here are different blur options too, so you can blur the picture however you like, and you can adjust it by using this slider on the bottom. So you can choose any of the effects here, and at last simply tap on done, and as you can see, and your image has been blurred. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.